और वेलकम टू आसान है एजुकेशन। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे चैलेंजेस फेस्ड बाय अर्बनाइजेशन। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम। वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस 5 बिग चैलेंजेस बीइंग फेस्ड बाय सिटीज ड्यू टू अर्बनाइजेशन। पहले एक फैक्ट देख लेते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट। देख सकते हैं आप, रीचिंग न्यू हाइट 68% ऑफ द पीपल विल लिव इन सिटीज बाई 2050। ठीक है, 68% of the world population will live in cities, that is in urban areas by 2050. Okay, so see here, the UN estimates that 55% of the global population lives in urban areas, a figure that is projected to rise to 68% by 2050. Okay, now at this time 55% of the population is living in urban areas. This is expected to increase to 68% by 2050 according to UN. So let us see what are the threats posed by this. See, the UN estimates that 55% of the global population lives in urban areas. अभी 55% आबादी शहरों में रहती है. A figure that is projected to rise to 68%. At present 55% population lives. It is projected to increase to 68% by 2050. So as urbanization speeds up, particularly in Asian and African countries, here are the 5 biggest challenges confronting the future of cities. So let us see what are the challenges to urbanization, because in mains there is a topic urbanization and related issues in your mains. Okay, GS paper 1. So let us see. The first threat is environmental threat, because rapid urbanization which strains basic infrastructure coupled with more frequent and extreme weather event linked to global climate change is exacerbating the impact of environmental threat. Common environmental threats include flooding, tropical cyclone, to which coastal cities are particularly vulnerable, heat waves and epidemics. So the first threat is environmental threat. Okay, in environmental threat, due to rapid urbanization, there will be construction on coastal areas also. Construction will be taking place, trees will be cut. So all these will lead to extreme events such as flooding, tropical cyclone, heat waves and epidemics. Okay, so let us see second threat. Second threat is burden on the resources. See, cities need resources such as water, food and energy to be viable. जैसे जैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ेगी, सिटीज़ पे स्ट्रेन बढ़ेगा, स्ट्रेस बढ़ेगा, क्योंकि वहाँ की डिमांड वाटर, फूड और एनर्जी पे ज़्यादा होगी. ओके, सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल ऑल्सो पोज थ्रेट टू रिसोर्सेज. फर्स्ट थ्रेट क्या था हमारा? एनवायरमेंटल थ्रेट. सेकेंड इज रिसोर्सेज, स्ट्रेस में आ जाएंगे. द थर्ड इज इनइक्वालिटी विल इंक्रीज. See, when it comes to both the provisions of basic resources and resilience against the environmental threat, the forecast is uneven for different groups of urban inhabitants. As the number of urban super rich grows, many cities will also see increased number of urban poor. Because when urbanization will increase, more people will be living on the slum areas. So the widening gap between the poor and rich will also increase, and this will also promote inequality. Okay. And if these inequalities are left unchecked, will destabilize society and upend any benefit of urban development. Okay, so this will become a nightmare for the government. So let us see the fourth challenge. The fourth challenge will be the role of technology. And we know that the people who are migrating from rural areas to urban areas, they do not have the required skill to cope up with the changing technologies such as 5G and AI. So they will not be able to stand in the industries or market to get good job. So the losses will also be taking place, and these urbanization are these people who have migrated from rural areas to urban areas, they will become a nightmare to handle from the governance point of view, because they do not have the skills to handle with the changing technologies such as Internet of Things, 5G, AI. Okay, and the last is from the governance point of view. Okay, this is governance. Because to make the best out of inevitable urbanization, good governance is imperative. Cities will increase in size and their population becomes more diverse. Governing these cities will therefore be progressively complex and require the most dedicated of mind. Okay, so in this video what we have seen, according to UN, at present 55% of the world population is living in urban areas, which is expected to increase to 68%. Okay, by 2050. And what are the major challenges? The first challenge was environmental threat. Second was stress on the resources. Third was related to technology. Fourth was related to governance. Okay, so all these challenges will be faced by urbanization, which is growing at a very faster pace. So the world must look for how to manage the challenges which are posed by urbanization to take the maximum benefit out of urbanization. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.